Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Fairphone 5 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose whatever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Fairphone and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Fairphone, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now tap Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. If you want to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait as well. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!